So for today's video, we gotta replace the headlight switch. I bought this from eBay. It's plug and play. Okay, because the high beam is not working. So I switched the relay. It doesn't fix the problem. I replaced the bulbs. Doesn't fix the problem. So we'll try this. Okay, after removing the two screws, one here and one there, you can pop it out. Pop the upper half. Okay. Yeah, this we're gonna replace. We have access. Okay, so we need to press something to release it. You need to turn your steering wheel to expose this part right here and press it while you pull it out. So that is what's locking it in. So this guy here, press it. It's out. I didn't think this is too easy. It's too easy. So let's compare. They look the same. They look the same. Color combination is different. I don't know. Let's put it inside, and it will snap back in. There you go. Put it back together. Oh, let's test the car. How you replace the switch, headlight switch, with the Mazda Cx5. This is a 2015, but it's similar with other Mazdas. Sadly, it did not fix my no high beam problem, but at least I eliminated the switch factor, so the switch is working.